Welcome back to Code Expert. Today we're going to learn the introduction of coding, and I would like to firstly start by introducing myself. My name is Maria Babumala Sharif. I am 12 years old. I am into coding, robotics engineering, and AI. I into technology a lot, and I love coding. It's like a hobby to me. So today I'm going to teach you guys one of my hobbies, which is coding, of course. Then, first of all, I want to start by teaching you how to construct a web page. I want to start with pretty basic stuff like HTML and CSS. But CSS is a little bit tricky because it has to do with thinking, like critical thinking. So now let's go to our code writer. Our code writer here has I've already done some stuff. Okay, I'll just explain to you. Now, header. I love code. What does this header do? What does this header do? This header, it's like when you're writing something, we have a header and a footer. So this like the top, then on that top, which will be the biggest, this will be the biggest writing of all. This particular line of code will be the largest in size, followed by H1, which is like a subheading, then P, which is random text size. It depends on what you want. You can adjust it if you want to. This is like one of the basic stuff of coding. Now, at the end of my lessons, I would like us to update every part of the step. And in the comment, write I am following. And if you have any questions during my live sessions, comment so that I can answer them, and then you'll be cleared of worries or doubts. Now, these are the lines of code I want every beginner to learn by the end of this month. This is the line of code I want. I want every beginner to learn how to write this particular. I want us to learn how to construct a header, navigation bar, a section, and a footer. And now, I would let's go to amazinglearners.html. Then now let's create a nav bar. What is a navigation bar? A navigation bar is a bar that would locate you to every section ID. It will locate you there immediately. So if you notice, if you have a nav bar and then you link that nav bar to any section, that will automatically create a section ID. So that ID is like it's like identification of where you're going to locate your code. So now we're going to write nav, then under it, we're going to write URL. Now, this would be the one that will link you to your code. Now, let's see. Under that, under it, we have the li function, which would be the one to link you to any part of the code. So now, inside this, we'll open bar and write href is equals to then whatever you want to locate your section ID as. But that's not our lesson for today. I already told you we're going to just learn how to type on to create different letters, numbers on the web page. Now thank you, but if you want to learn how to color the background, this is internal CSS. Now the difference between internal and external CSS is that external CSS will be done on a different page, but internal CSS will be done on that same web page, on that same coding page that you have done your code. So now we're going to using internal CSS. I'm going to use the script, the script tag. Script, then color, color equals to equal to background, background, then color background, sorry. Want to color a background, write background color. Color is equal to, then let's see, yellow. Now, I don't want us to get confused because every basic coder doesn't understand internal CSS. So I'm going to be like wiping off this code. I just wanted to show you as an example so that next time if you see it, you'll be able to identify it. So now thank you. That's the end of today's lesson. I'd like to keep my videos pretty short so that you don't get bored of, because I like talking. I don't want anybody to get bored of. So please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment if you have any suggestion or any complaint, and I'll make sure I read every single comment given by you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.